same logic, let's mark these 5 points now. So the first one is minus 1 comma 1. So we directly understand that minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 means that x is minus 1. That it means that we have to move towards the left by 1 units, and minus 1. Now this minus 1 means we have to go down by 1 units. So this is my first coordinate. This is minus 1 comma 1. Next is 0 comma 1. So x is 0 and y is 1. So this is 0 and this is 1. So this is my next coordinate. Can we see that over here is x is 0 and y is 1. So we have to just stay at the origin for x, and for y we have to move 1 units upwards. So this would be my coordinate 0 comma 1. Next is 1 comma 3. So x is 1 and y is 3. It would be here. Next is 2 comma 5, which is over here. X is 2 and y is 5. And next is 3 comma 7. So the important point is this, that can we see that these coordinates are actually forming a line. They are in a straight line. We are able to identify the pattern. That is the main task actually. We are able to identify this pattern, that they are simply forming a straight line. How we are going to use it, what is the purpose of this, that is a complete separate topic, and that is actually the main thing to do. But in today's class, the only understanding that we need to actually know is this, that yes, when these points are marked, we can see that they are forming a line. That's it. So in today's class, we have started with this basic understanding that how to plot these points, and then we have learned that yes, when these points are plotted, they can form a pattern as well. So we have just started with the topic of linear relations in today's class. So just revise everything, whatever we have done, and let's meet in the next class now to take this understanding further. So take care, bye, all the best.